Welcome back! In today's video, we're exploring the world of custom CNC machining parts and the wide range of materials and industries they support. At JST Tech, we work with aluminum alloys, stainless steel, carbon steel, and copper alloys, each chosen for its unique properties. Whether you need lightweight yet strong parts for aerospace, corrosion-resistant components for medical devices, or high-temperature resistant elements for industrial machinery, we've got the right material for the job. Our CNC machining services are trusted across sectors like aviation, defense, automotive, electronics, EVs, and industrial equipment. With tight tolerances down to plus or minus 0.01 mm, we ensure every part meets exact specifications. From rapid prototyping to mass production, our advanced multi-axis machines deliver complex geometries with unmatched precision. Quality is key, so every part undergoes CMM inspection, hardness testing, and dimensional checks. ISO 9001 certified, we guarantee performance and reliability. Want a quote or custom solution? Leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and let's machine the future together.